would like to start messing with forms in my JavaScript. So I have created a little form that has a couple of text boxes and a submit button and a reset button. Let me show you what it looks like right now. Looks like that. Oops, let me bring it down. You can't see it all the way. Looks like that. So I've got my full name, my student ID, and my phone number. I have some, whoops. What am I doing? I have some classes already assigned to it to control it. I'm going to actually make it a little bit wider because I want to have plenty of room to have stuff fit on the screen. And I have actually made two little classes, one that's called Has Focus, one that's called Lost Focus, and all they do is change the background color, because what I'd like to do is when the person gives focus to one of these, I want to change it visually a little bit more than the default for the browser. Right now it's just outlining it in blue. I can see my cursors there, but maybe I want to really highlight which one they're on. So I'm going to go in my JavaScript and I am going to write some functions. I'm going to write one that's called give focus to a particular box. And it is going to call a new function called setAttribute. And so what that means is it takes whatever this thing is that's passed in, and you can grab hold of one of these guys, the attributes. And one of the attributes that I think could have is the class. So I'm going to change the class so that when I give a box focus, I'm going to assign it my class has focus. So this is instead of adding to a list or something, I'm literally swapping out. So I'm setting it to this. If it was previously something or multiple things, it's going to set it to this instead. And similarly, I'm going to write a lose focus that will give it a different class. What did I call that? I called the one that's white lost focus. Okay. All right. Now I need to give my inputs some listeners. So let's grab them. Let's just select input. Now it's going to grab my submit and my reset button, which typically those don't get a big visual change if they're selected. It's not that big a deal. I'm going to let it do it anyway. I could give those other guys a particular class or select based on one of their attributes, but I'm just going to grab all the inputs. That's fine. And then I'm going to go through the list of them. And I'm going to attach to each of these guys an event listener for focus that calls give focus. And then I'm going to give it a second event listener for blur, so that when I navigate away from it, I'm going to lose focus. Let's see if that works. All right, so here I am in my form. Let me refresh it. Focus. Nope, didn't work. Let's see what we got as an error. Reference has focus is not fine. Oh, right. I gave those guys parameters and then I didn't use them. This guy got a box, so I need to send it the thing that is actually being triggered. So let's change this so I can call my function give focus, and I'm going to send it the current thing. I'm going to do the same thing here. Function lose focus, give it this. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, focus given. What's my problem? Has focus is not Defined at give focus. Did I capitalize something different? Oh, I need my quotes. Alright, here we go. Yes. And when I go away, it goes back to white. Alright, great.